Protein, 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 payday, protein, 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 payday, protein, 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 payday, protein.
Hello, welcome to Best Health Primary Care. Today we're going to do a Payday inspired protein shake. Healthy, low calorie. This is inspired actually by my grandfather. Halloween's coming up and his favorite candy was actually a Payday. He lost his life to battling lung cancer, unfortunately, and this is a tribute to him. Today the ingredients that we're going to use are going to be our Fit protein powder consistency, but it's actually a peanut butter powder. It has lower calories than traditional peanut butters per scoop, a sugar-free classic caramel syrup, a little bit of maple syrup, whey protein, and some almond milk. All right, let's get started. All right, here we go. First, we have a cup and a half of almond milk. We're not calling it milk anymore, I guess, but to me it's milk. And the little hands are brought to you by my daughter. Oh, thank you. And how about the other one? The other one.
Daddy spilled a little.
Yeah, it's okay. The counter needs to drink too. All right. Perfect. Excellent. Milk's in. 4 tablespoons of our peanut butter powder. Not that heaping. A little less, a little less. Just routine. Yeah, there you go. Routine tablespoons. We're going to put 4 in there. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 tablespoon of caramel syrup. Boop. 1 tablespoon of maple syrup. Boop. Little extra. Nice. It's going to give some flavor.
It got on me.
This adds a little bit of sugar, a little smokiness, and it's going to give you that flavor without adding a whole lot of sugar, just enough. Half of scoop of protein powder, vanilla flavor preferably. You don't want to do a whole scoop. The peanut butter powder has a lot of protein in it, and we don't want to go into renal failure. Handful of ice, 7 ice cubes. And pour. Straw. Enjoy.
Protein, 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 payday, protein, 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 payday, protein, 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 payday, protein.